Here's the full microservice design for the Menus API in the food ordering app. Looks okay, but I might have a couple concerns. Why are we using both DynamoDB and S3? So the menu metadata is actually going to be stored in DynamoDB, whereas the actual assets are going to be stored here in S3. So the product team mentioned to me that we need to be able to roll back to older versions of the menu in case a restaurant owner uploads a corrupted file or something. How are you going to handle that? Yes, because of that requirement in the requirement stock, I'm going to go ahead and enable versioning on our Menus S3 bucket. This means that even if the restaurant owners push a new version of the menu, we'll always keep the old versions and we can roll back to them whenever we actually need to. Okay, that should be enough to satisfy the product team. Now, have you considered how much it's going to increase our AWS bill if we're storing an endless amount of menus in S3? Wait, each of these versions just costs the same as the primary version? Okay, yeah, this is going to get expensive super fast. I got you, bro. How about after a certain amount of time, we just move the menus into S3 Glacier? It's way cheaper. 27 times cheaper? Dude, that is insanely good. Yeah, it's nuts. And all we have to do is write that lifecycle configuration. And if you want, we can write another configuration to just delete them after 2 years. I mean, who needs menus that long?